you all. Today let's see how to prepare a healthy smoothie recipe. This smoothie increases the immune power. So an immune boosting smoothie which can be prepared very easily with few ingredients that are easily available at our home. So this smoothie is enriched with omega-3 fatty acid antioxidants and lots of proteins. Now let's get started. I have taken about 2 amlas. I have discarded the seed and finely chopped them. Added to a blender jar. About 8 almonds. I have soaked it in water for about 4 hours and I have peeled the skin. The almonds are also enriched with high amount of protein. I have taken about a pinch of dry ginger powder and quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. So dry ginger powder gives you a good aroma and flavor to your smoothie. I have taken about 3 dates. Dates are rich in iron content. Make sure that your dates are nice and soft. As everyone knows, gooseberries are enriched with vitamin C and antioxidants. I have taken about 1 teaspoon of flaxseed and soaked it in a water for about 1 hour. So if you use the flaxseed directly, then you will not be able to blend it into a nice and fine paste. These flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which is present in fish. So it's equivalent to that of present in fish, and it's also rich in antioxidants which prevents heart diseases and cancer. It also helps to reduce the blood pressure. So intake of this flaxseed for about 3 months will reduce the LDL level in the cholesterol. It also prevents Alzheimer and Parkinson diseases as well as prevents stroke. It contains high amount of fiber which helps in weight loss. Therefore, a very good food for people who are in diet too. I have taken about 1 banana, peel off the skin and make slices. If you want the smoothie to be even more creamy and a thick texture, make sure you use frozen bananas. In a blender jar along with the amla, add the flax seeds, dry ginger powder and pepper powder, dates, almond and the banana. For the sweetener, I am using palm jaggery syrup. You can even use jaggery syrup as well as honey. So adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Add little water and blend it into a nice and smooth paste. So our rich and creamier smoothie is ready. This smoothie can be even given for children who are who are above 1 year, and can also be used by people who are in diet. For garnishing, I have taken chocolate shaving. So the chocolate shaving is completely optional. Try out this yummy and healthy immunity boosting smoothie and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.